Good day. Okay, my name is Oyewole David, and I'm popularly known as King David. So I welcome you to the official educational consult. And firstly, before we proceed, I want you to do something for me. Please, I want you to click on the subscribe button on your screen so that whenever I post something good, you'll be able to benefit from it. And this is how you do it. After you have clicked on the subscribe button, you will see something like a notification bell. So just click on that too. Please, before we proceed, can you just do that for me? Please. Okay, having done that, thank you. So now we can proceed. So in this video, I'll be taking you formulation of equation when the roots are known. And whenever you have a question like this, now let's read the question. It says, if 1/2 and 3/2 are roots of an equation, form the equation. So now how are you going to form the quadratic equation from these roots that are being given? So now the simple way to do it, I'll be taking you through my own method, and I think that's the simplest method for everyone, and it's a very simple way. Now, you are going to do what? So now, use each of these roots to form a bracket, and that's going to be what? X. Now, there's something I want you to take note. From here, you are being given a positive number, right? And here you have a positive number. So if you have a positive number here, by the time, okay, now let me just take it this way so you won't be confused. Let's assume that x equals to 1/2, right? So by the time you bring it to this side, it will be what? X minus 1/2, right? So that's just the simple thing. So if you are forming the bracket, it will be in this form. So it won't be positive the way you have it in the question. So now you just simply form the brackets like this: x minus 1/2, x minus 3/2 equals to 0. And then if this is minus, by the time you get here, it will be plus. Do you get it now? So that's just a simple technique. And then you expand the bracket. How do you expand? This times this, this times this. Again, this times this, this times this. That's just a simple way to expand the bracket. And this is how to do it. Now, x times x will give you what? X squared, right? Okay. Now, x times minus 3/2. That will give you minus 3x/2. That's all for this. Now we use this to multiply this again. Minus 1/2 times x. That's minus x/2. Because by the time 1 times x will be what? X, right? Okay. Now that's simple. Then we move to the last one, which is minus 1/2 times minus 3/2. Now this is going to give us what? Plus 3/4. And this is how I got that my plus 3/4. That's going to be what? Minus times minus is what? Plus 1 times 3. 3, 2 times 2, 4. Do you get it now? So it's as simple as that. Equals to 0. Now, you have this. The next thing to do is what? Find the LCM. And you will find the LCM of what? 1, 2, 2, and 4. 1, 2, 2, and 4. Now, the LCM is going to be, you rule a long line. The LCM is going to be 4. Because obviously, if you consider that, you will get 4. You arrive at this answer. Very sure. Then that means 4 divided by 1. You take it one after the other. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Do you get it now? Then that 4 times x squared will give you what? 4x squared. 4 divided by 2 will give you what? That's 2. Sorry, this minus here. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 3x. That's 6x. Minus 4 divided by 2 again, 2 times x, 2x. Then plus 4 divided by 4, that's 1. 1 times 3, 3. Equals to 0. Now the simple thing is, I'm going to collect and cross multiply. And by the time cross multiply, the whole of this will multiply this. Why 4 will multiply 0? Abi? So by the time 4 will multiply 0, it will give you 0, right? Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. And then this multiplying 1, it will still give you this. And that's going to be what? 4x squared. Now to simplify it, we have two numbers here that are both having x. Yeah, they look the same. So we can actually turn them to 1. That's going to be what? Minus 6x minus 2x. Now, for those who might still be having problem with something like this simply means that you are owing someone 6x, and then you are owing another person 2x. That's just all. You are owing this one 6x, you are owing this one. Negative means you are owing. You are owing this one 6x, you are owing this one 2x. So how do you do that? How do you sum it into one? That means you are owing 8x altogether, because 6 here, 2 here, making 8. Do you get it now? So that's minus 8x plus 3 equals to 4 times 0, 0. And this is how to form it. So this is the equation that we form out of this. And it's very simple. So if you have any number, whatever it is, you can always apply this. You can always apply this method, and you will arrive at your answer. Do you get it now? So I would love that we take another question again, like that. Okay, another question. Okay. Now, okay, let me just do it this way. What if you have minus 2 and 4? How do you do that? Why is it plus 2? Because minus, when you get here, to turn to plus. Do you get it now? Then plus 4 when you get here to what? Minus, equals to 0, right? So now expand this bracket. X times x, x squared. X times minus 4, minus 4x, right? Now this, 2 times x, 2x. 2 times minus 4, minus 8, right? So having arrived at this place, you don't need to cross multiply because you're not having any fraction. So all you just have to do is what? Now, x squared minus 4x plus 2x. Now, the simple meaning of this is, now you are owing someone 4x, and then you discover that you have 2x. Positive means you have it with you, and then you have 2x. So how do you do that? By the time you pay 2x with the 2 that you're having, but you still be left with the debt, right? Because what you're owing is more than what you have, right? So that's going to be what? Minus 2x, because you will still be owing 2 after you have paid 2 out of the 4 you are owing. So that's going to be what? Minus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. That's very, very simple. So these are the equations that you can derive from these two roots. So I want you to solve this as a classwork. So what if you have minus 1 over 4 and minus 5? So let me know your answer in the comment section. I want to know your answer because I'm really concerned and I'm going to check that.